okay, it's me.
You were just out for a few minutes.
Virgil!
Please, they're right behind me.
We're not made for this. We have to renegotiate this
Tell
contract.
him, Mr. Teddy.
Theodore Raspis Cole did it. Represent in flesh and living blood the form of the absolute contract between J. Wilson Turnbull and his immortal soul held bound upon penalty of pain.
You don't break my heart.
Where do I start?
The backups first, with full purge. Next, the primaries.
Hey, if somebody's out there, come out now! I'm on!